I'm going to explain how to hack Wi-Fi password. You see, I'm not connected to Wi-Fi still, so I'm going to use the application called Linux Fern Wi-Fi Cracker. Fern Wi-Fi Cracker. Using this application, I'm going to crack the password of my neighbor. Okay, this is the interface GUI of the Fern Wi-Fi Cracker. I'm selecting the device. It's called that device, LAN device, and after that selecting device, I will scan how many Wi-Fi active Wi-Fi nearby me. Here you go. There's a two Wi-Fi router nearby me. Click this button, and as this is my neighbor. Okay, I'm going to hack this guy password. To do that, you want to first create the big name list, Wi-Fi name list. I create a name list using password dictionary, and I search about my friend social media and other things. I add some more names to this Wi-Fi name to this password list. So after creating this password list, I will upload this password list into this app like this. Okay, now uploaded the name list, and now we are going to attack the Wi-Fi. Let's do this. You will see everything now. Okay, attack. Go, 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 go. Where is it? Let's take a little bit time, and where it is. Here we go. This is my friend Wi-Fi password. We will check this. Is this 100% my friend key? Wi-Fi key. So also saving phone Wi-Fi cracker database. Okay, let's cut this and open the leaf pad and key database. Copy this password. I'm going to save this password for futures because name this Vikas Wi-Fi, and I will save this in a desktop so I can use in the future if I want to connect this guy Wi-Fi. Use this password. Okay. There we go. Select connect. I'm copying a password. Here we go. It's connecting. Okay, connected. Done. Okay, we'll check this. If you don't believe some guys will not believe. Okay, we'll check the details of the Wi-Fi. Here's the details. So password. Show me the password. Yes, 100%. The hack